Personal blog number 9. Now, I have talked about killjoys in the past. A killjoy will suck the life out of the room. One thing that we have to do is we have to unplug from social media, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Threads, all that from time to time, and not get confused with what reality is and this constant chatter, negative energy that you see some people project. The key to being happy in life is loving yourself. And loving yourself sometimes means removing your mental side from all the noise.